Taiwan is a gorgeous island of technology, nature, and culture. With a diversified culture and refreshing landscape, it has always displayed remarkable charm. However, Taiwan has suffered acutely from global warming in recent years.
As a member of the global community, Taiwan government has decided to develop an energy efficient as well as low carbon society.
So Taiwan is engaging in energy saving and carbon reduction. To contribute to the protection of the environment, the government and people in Taiwan are looking for ways to save energy and reduce carbon emissions in technology and life. Yong'an Photovoltaic Power Plant generates the most electricity from solar energy in all of Taiwan. Taipower engineers are striving to make solar energy a major energy resource in the future.
我们每年呢，大概可以发电592万度，它的减碳量呢，大概是2558公吨，相当于14座单公里的一个碳的这个吸收量。
The different geographic conditions around Taiwan have led to diversified development of green energy. This recently developed high-concentration photovoltaic HCPV demonstration farm provides a more diverse range of options for solar power generation than ever before.
它有一个追日装置，可以实时面对太阳，可以提升这个吸收太阳光的一个效能。
The special sunlight tracking device and HCPV panel material can focus solar rays of several orders of magnitude on a very tiny surface area of solar panel.
如果同样的吸光面接收了太阳光的能量，这种激光型太阳能发电系统所输出的能量会比细晶的那个平板式太阳能发电系统多1倍。
In addition to high-tech solutions, Taiwan residents work hard to realize the ideal of saving energy and reducing carbon emissions in daily life.
环境是大家，不是说个人。你有这种心在的话，其实你不论你是从事什么工作，或者是你有没有当社区主，这都是你一个地球里面的一份子应尽的义务。
In Yangming Community of New Taipei City, Taiwan, power conservation expert Pan Rui Xiang is trying to figure out how to boost the community's energy efficiency.
一开始人家会不赞同你，可能你头脑有问题。我们把所有的灯关掉就好了，那就是低碳最省了。
With perseverance and continuous efforts, Pan, the chairperson of Community, has lowered Community's monthly public power rate from 30,000 NT dollars or so to 7,000 NT dollars.
电费真的省很多了。
26.9，所以一盏灯就省17块了。
到今天这种成就，第一一定是有主委在后面那个。 领导啊，推动啊。
Thoroughly understanding the power conservation efficiency of various energy-saving lamps was just Chairman Pan's first step.
电到了。
Biodiesel extracted from leftover cooking oil was provided to run the community's electric generator, saving nearly 80% on its public facility power bill. Pan also himself designed and improved a wind-powered electric generator system, making the community a genuine energy-saving champion.
那事实上刚开始所有住户并不看好，他说只是喊喊口号而已，但是他很认真的一点一点做。
他为了这些事情都是忙到2点、3点，所以我们当然就跟着投入来。
因为你在改变我们的生活，改变我们的环境。
加油！
In Taiwan, ordinary things in life can be the sources of creative energy saving and carbon reduction. Lin Hui Xiong, a professor at the Industrial Technology Research Institute's Mechanical and System Research Laboratories, and his team developed the transparent solar power window to generate electricity via solar power in daily life.
传统的细晶的太阳能电池，它是一个不透明的东西，就不容易整合在整个环境里面。我们这个是一个非常透明的、全穿透的一个材料，我可以看到户外的景色。
This thin layer of transparent acrylic refracts the sun's rays to solar cells at the bottom of the window frame. The creativity of Taiwan scientists has made household generation of electricity via solar power as easy as pasting up a sheet of heat-insulating film. Furthermore, the simple solar cell can be totally hidden by the window frame design.
我的 solar cell 用得非常的精简，所以我的成本会大幅的下降。
But how can we cut energy consumption in urban structures? Energy-saving glass developed by Yang Jinghuai, professor of construction engineering at National Taiwan University of Science and Technology, offers an amazing solution.
玻璃这样的一个产品是在我们所有建材里面最普遍的一个产品，它是一个很好的一个透光的材料，但是它的负面就是说，它会同时也把很多辐射都带进来，也会大幅的浪费空调。
To reduce indoor temperatures and cut air conditioner energy consumption, this dual-function multi-layer solar energy-saving glass insulates against the heat while generating electricity.
它是把这个半导体的材料，把它做在玻璃的里面。 它可以用来做发电的功能，然后我们在这个玻璃的这个里面呢，又放了一个反射膜。这个反射膜的原理就是说，当光进来的时候呢，在这个半导体产生第一次的电，然后经过这个反射膜，它会折回去，又产生第二次的电。多产生电的同时呢，它的辐射呢就不容易进来。
This energy-saving glass not only effectively insulates against the radiation of heat of sunshine, its semiconductor power generating capability greatly reduces a building's power demand and achieves the goal of saving energy and reducing carbon emissions.
这个呢是一般的玻璃哈，室内温度到38.8度。接下来我们看，这是一般我们的节能屋，马上就可以看到温度上的差别。啊，呈现的是30度，跟刚刚那一间差快9度。我们让负面的阳光啊变成正面的阳光进来，只是会带给我们电力啊，不会带给我们热度。
In Taiwan, the virtue of cherishing resources makes recycling and reuse of waste materials a philosophy of life.
保特瓶嘛，就纸类的。
玻璃罐、塑胶、铁。
不会吧？
很快乐，
扎扎实实，不支持，我支持我眼睛那么大了，我还来啊！
这个可以利用的东西啊，丢掉太可惜了。
Even tiny efforts in daily life count. Every member of the Taiwan public can sort their refuse.
The recycling system in Taiwan is very healthy. It's one of the healthiest in the world.
US-based architect Arthur Huang thinks highly of Taiwan's complete recycling system. He and his team are good at using creativity to identify new possibilities for resource recycling and reuse.
有水啊，拢爱吃。塑胶碗纸啊，铁碗纸啊，电线，分类。
You don't see any old fridges lying around in Taiwan. No way, because all that costs money. Metals is money, copper in the generator is money. The saving quality of the culture really stood up.
Far Eastern Group's EcoArc, built with 1.52 million recycled peat bottles, is the world's first large-scale exhibition green building made of recycled materials. It also passed earthquake and typhoon tests.
You have to take the raw material and turn that into something useful, and turning that into consumer, that requires creativity.
Peat bottles are simple, easily reshaped, and accord with ecological and natural green building design concepts, making Far Eastern's EcoArc the finest model for reusing resources.
其实科技环保其实是可以结合在一起的。
火车皮，你看，妈妈好美啊！你看是不是在内容嘛？这多好！
It's such a natural feeling of this house. It seems so light and so bright, and it just feels great there.
很令我们台湾能够骄傲的事情。
By staying abreast of manufacturing processes and management techniques, Taiwan has been the #1 LED producing country worldwide for many years.
怎么样让效率做得更好，能够跟环境呢是很自然共存的。
The Industrial Technology Research Institute's Electro-Optic Research Lab R&D team garnered a top prize at the U.S. 2010 R&D 100 Awards with its alternating current LED chip technology.
Traditional LEDs must be driven in direct current. The concept of on-chip AC LED is to connect many LED elements on one substrate and then get the lighting device which can be driven under the AC condition.
Unlike previous models driven with direct current, this LED design can run on AC, cutting power consumption by roughly 20%.
Because no extra AC to DC converting circuit is needed.
It is also more compact, providing convenient use of LED light, along with wider creative and imaginative leeway.
We can get more and more opportunity by the AC LED product.
Statistics indicates that motor vehicles are one of the biggest culprits behind air pollution. By combining the latest green energy technology, Taiwan's public and private sectors are showing resolve to save energy and reduce carbon emissions.
To coordinate among different agencies, that's a goal of the government.
Electric motorcycles will be the primary green energy vehicle of urban Taiwan in the future. With Taiwan's heavy motorcycle usage, lightweight, pollution-free electric motorcycles will become hot products to save energy and reduce carbon emissions.
非常好，安静无声啊。
电脑被吓到人了，走过去突然就出现，
方便，轻快。
To improve the performance of electric vehicles, Pan Jinping, a section chief at the Industrial Technology Research Institute's Material and Chemical Research Laboratories, is working to develop a much safer and more efficient car battery.
因为电池的续航力就是跟电池容量有关。你同样的尺寸，你要有更多的能量在里面，就是等于是单位体积的能量要高，我们这叫密度嘛。那能量密度最高，就像炸弹一样。因为你如果要续航力长，其实你的电池就要能量带很多，所以就危险。你要安全的话，那你只好把能量密度降低。
We needed to overcome it, but we cannot sacrifice the energy density. So we developing a very innovative materials.
Totally new material developed for STOBA cell technology enables a substantial increase in operating endurance.
That can solve the safety, also keep the energy density high.
By planning charging equipment and urban electric power support systems, Taiwanese use their smarts to overcome the limitations of driving an electric vehicle.
电动摩托车发展，它的最大的瓶颈就是行驶距离没办法去延长，或者是它中途没电的时候造成民众的困扰。
A battery exchange system designed with electrical filling stations in mind can replenish electric power easily through simple procedures.
它随时可以拿到电，那么它的行驶距离就可以无限的延伸。
Electric vehicles will develop a wider range of options in the future due to Taiwan's abundant creativity.
以后的替代能源不会是单一能源，所有的能源都是相辅相成。
Professor Guo Junqian of National Kaohsiung University of Applied Science is working to develop safer and handier hydrogen fuel cell cars.
We would like to bring the new concept into people's daily life. So that's why we're making the hydrogen car.
This Firefly-inspired design for the hydrogen-powered urban concept car stresses light volume, energy-saving green traffic in urban areas. In addition, the Apollo Solar Car team has persevered for over 14 years in developing a photovoltaic system that can provide a clean power source.
Because it's our dream.
Professor Ai He Chang is the life and soul of the team.
Most of people, they just think the solar energy is very weak. I think the solar energy will be main energy in the future.
To prove the feasibility of his idea, Professor Ai and his team are endeavoring to improve car performance.
They got some practical technology and they built some components to help the solar car go fast with well performance.
它的加速性能、它的刹车，甚至它的续航力跟速度都不会输一般的车子。只要有太阳，它就是一直跑。
The sun can power the car 150 km/h.
With such outstanding car performance, the Apollo Solar Car team has won honor for Taiwan in many world competitions.
We'll change the mind. The solar is very powerful.
Through the combined effort of the public, Taiwan's new electric propulsion energy source has become a superstar of energy conservation and carbon reduction. Electric power-saving expert Community Management Committee Chairman Pan, through his own strength, has drawn more people into the energy-saving and carbon reduction effort.
节能减碳不是封闭说我这个社区门关起来自己做，而是说走出来外面去推动，慢慢去影响到周遭的社区。
但是像这种小地啊，你也可以讲，你刚开始做的时候，听说很多。
Today, he has been invited to take part in a new Taipei city government power-saving promotion.
OK 啊，有你们在。
怎么样使用冷气机可以最省电？哎呦，主委又来了。
冷气机设定26至28度，搭配电风扇最省电。
More and more people in Taiwan are concerned about energy saving and carbon reduction issues.
一度电救地球啊！
省钞票，大家都非常的注意听。
Chairman Pan and participants ardently exchanged their experiences with conserving energy and cutting carbon emissions.
啊，伊个草外几几百公里就当那1米风就使。
咱拿太阳能嘞，风力的，
太阳能较大。
哦，安尼讲家己会当做安尼，就用你的经验，阮来做安尼，哇，那省得税啊。
Not stopping there, Chairman Pan has gotten deeply involved in various communities to promote the importance of energy and power conservation.
啊，你有报名未？
报名。
你对电救地球节电比赛。
这个嘛通背。
啊，你就尽量省啊，插头拢扭起来，电数离开无拢关起来。上无10天内底升1度，大种有多歹呢？
哦，电动车。
哇，就是电动车。整个加起来是232盏。
By helping neighboring communities plan how to save electricity, Chairman Pan has acquainted many people with the benefits of energy and power conservation.
台湾这批灯具每个月还可以更省到5838块。
很难去想象到说，哎，一个社区的主委可以做到这样，就觉得说，哎，你比慈济还要慈济，这句话来形容他。
整个环境，整个整体一起去推动，这个才是真正的意义。
Joint exchange and promotion have involved the entire Taiwan public in energy saving and carbon reduction.
你要相信你自己是一颗种子。可以发芽，然后可以散播。
Architect Jiang Qinghua and her architectural team are prominent green building experts in Taiwan. They have always adhered to the architectural philosophy of working with nature.
自然界所有的事情，它一定跟环境是整个融合在一起的，好像人际关系，你一个人不能 live alone 这样。所以建筑物它其实只是环境里面的一部分。自然，它有很多力量，有风从哪里来，好，然后阳光在哪里，有互相的 interaction。那所以我们要让我们自己被所有的能量同样平等的待遇的话，那我们自己的建筑物就要跟这个环境融合在一起。
Xinxiang Pavilion at the Taipei Flora Exposition, built with energy saving and sustainability in mind, stresses an intimate dialogue between architecture and nature.
我们吸取了这个户外的比较阴凉的空气哈，然后借由这空气经过地下的涵管、地底的热交换，然后再将这些空气再从大厅里面吹出来，提供室内有比较凉爽的一个空气。
Located in Taipei's Beito District, this green building library has been praised for its closeness to nature.
读书的时候一定要在冷气房里面吗？能不能跟蝴蝶或是蜜蜂一起念书？
The space planning allows people to cohere with the environment. Reading becomes a comfortable joy.
我们把它设计类似三角形的状况。
Since it has a great deal of westward exposure to the sun, we opened many windows on its north and east sides to boost the amount of sunlight and natural space.
最尖的那一端刚好就朝向西面，因此我可以减少开空调的那个负荷。
In addition, the tilted rooftop is designed to collect rainfall, saving nearly 30% on water for public use.
我们可以把这件事情做得美好，然后大家会觉得，哇，这绿建筑也可以这么美妙。绿建筑不见得是要很昂贵的，大家也会开始散播它的种子。
In Taiwan, through promotion and education, people rediscover ways to coexist with nature in a sustainable way.
我觉得只有感谢，有这一块真的是宝地。
Located at the heart of Taiwan's new Taipei City, Fuzhou Artificial Wetland used to be the filthiest dump along the Dahan River shore. Reclaiming the artificial wetland now, Taiwanese are attempting the most natural way to treat approximately 150,000 metric tons of urban wastewater daily.
一般的水经过出城时是最第一池 最臭的，接着是水田湿地，模仿那个农田，有点像利用它的高低差，让那个水可以慢慢流下来。事实上里面有很多水生植物，它就可以净化这里的水。
The urban wastewater filtered through gravel has given Fuzhou Artificial Wetland a rich ecology that serves as a haven for birds.
它的那个教育功能很棒，让我们可以休闲哈。台风过去的话，它事实上是个滞洪池的中央。好。
Miss Wu, a local resident, really adores this sustainable and natural land.
我觉得你享受了这样的一个环境，你当然愿意把这个环境介绍给人家知道。
Through continuous learning, Ms. Wu and other local volunteers with the same goal endeavor to promote and tell about the wetlands ecology.
这个就是夜鹭。
哦，就在你面前呢。
这只是黄小鹭，小屁屁，不会潜水哦，它就这样咚就进去了。那个应该是大白鹭，这个应该是红冠水鸡。
突然来到这里，眼界大开。
I don't remember even their names. There are so many birds here.
Fuzhou Artificial Wetland integrates education, recreation, and environmental protection so that people the world over understand Taiwan's determination to enjoy sustainable coexistence with nature. From cities to the countryside, and from the public to the private sector, energy saving and carbon reduction have become an integral part of life in Taiwan. From electrical power conservation to ecological restoration, Taiwan's technological edge is developing green industries. Every citizen of this green earth on the beautiful island of Taiwan has actively joined in the environmental protection effort. As part of the global village, Taiwan stands together with all of humanity to protect our Earth for the sake of ecological balance and sustainable development.